All right, Nichols Mustangs, here are the results for the Career Cluster Survey. So, there are currently 1,334 responses on this survey. And the question was, which of the following career clusters is most appealing to you? In other words, which career cluster most likely includes the job or career that you are most interested in? Now, if you remember, there are 16 career clusters. And this pie chart shows the breakdown of all of the students or 8th graders in the district who have already answered this question, including you. So when you answer this question, the results will be in here, and then I will put them into this particular pie chart. So let's take a look at it. So 13.1%, or 175 students, have selected none of the above. So that would tell me that they really don't know. But that doesn't matter, it's okay. And then 12% selected that they have no idea, which also is okay, because these two, the 13.1 and the 12%, are actually almost a quarter of the students that are in the district, because it's 12% and 13%, which gives us 25%. And you can look at their position in the pie chart. So almost a quarter of the students in the district really don't know or don't have any idea. But that's probably because, number one, you're in the 8th grade, and then number two, because you just really are trying to figure out what it is that you want to do. And that is perfectly okay. And then as we go around the pie chart, we can look here, agriculture, food, and natural resources. Those are the students that selected, 52 students selected that, which is 3.9%. And moving on around, those are the people that would go into the agricultural field, such as working with animals. Veterinarians are in this field, if you didn't know that. Next is architecture and construction. Those would be the ones that are architects that design buildings. And then the construction are the ones that build the building. So 4.4% there. And coming on around is arts, AV, and communication. These are the people that would be behind the screens, if you will, that are building or creating what you see on TV and those kinds of things. Audio, video, music, behind the scenes. Not creating the music, but behind the music. And then here is 9.3%, business management and administration. A lot of people, when they go to college, they major in business management. They may major in business administration. These are those students. It's 124. Those that are looking to own their own businesses would probably want to have a business background or a business degree. Then coming on around, there's education and training. Those are the people that want to be teachers. Those are the people that would go into the training field and not necessarily just a teacher on this level. Those that want to be college professors, or those that want to go into the corporate world and be trainers there. And then it gets pretty small here. So after education and training is finance. Those that want to go into the banking industry. Those are the CPAs, the certified public accountants. Then there are those that want to go into government and public administration. We've just had an election, and some of those people that are in government now, those are your mayors and your city council people and the people that are heading cities, city administrators and things like that, they have government or have gone into government and public administration. Then there's health science. This is 152 that selected this. Just 11.4%. These are the students that are looking to go into the healthcare field. And the district has a couple of tracks that you can use to get into the healthcare field. And if you recall, one of the opportunities, which you just heard about last Friday, is the P-TECH Academy. So 152%, 152 students, excuse me, selected that particular career cluster. And then we coming on around hospitality and tourism. Those are the hoteliers, if you will. Those are the ones that are working in the hotel industry. And not just that, but there are many other careers in that field, of which we'll be exploring, and for all of the career clusters. And then there's human services. Those are the people that are working with people in terms of providing services to them. And then there is information technology. These are the computer scientists in the computer field, or anything that deals with information. It just doesn't necessarily mean computer. And then there's law, public safety, corrections, and security. These are the lawyers. These are the ones that want to get into the police field and become police officers. That's where you will land. And then here's a little sliver, which is manufacturing. These are the people that build things, not just buildings, but they build all kind of things that they would manufacture. Then marketing, sales, and services. These are the ones that create the ads that you would see on TV. Then there is the STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. These are your engineers and the engineering field. And then finally is transportation, distribution, and logistics. These are the 18-wheel truck drivers. These are the people that would work on at the railroad. Those are lucrative jobs. These are people that would work at in the shipyard or anywhere in the trucking industry. Logistics is moving things from one place to the other. And then transportation, the airline industry, and those kinds of things. So this is the pie chart that gives how the breakdown is of how your peers selected what career cluster that they are interested in within the district. Now you're going to answer a discussion question based upon the information that is in this pie chart. So if you are needing to, please replay the pie chart, replay this video so that you can understand the breakdown of the different selections that your peers have made within the district in terms of which of the following career clusters is most appealing to you.